In this video, I will show you how you can activate Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down, and you will find the option for Siri. Now just tap on it, and on this page, just tap on Requests. Now from here, instead of Off, just select Hey Siri or Siri and Hey Siri. For an example, I'll select this option. And after you do that, then it will ask you to say the prompt on the screen to set up Siri. Siri, what are some fun things I can do indoors on a rainy day? Hey Siri, set an alarm for 15 minutes before my next meeting. Siri, what time does my flight leave on Saturday? Hey Siri, make a dinner party menu with veggies that are in season. Siri, add these photos to my summer album. And after you do that, then you will be able to enable Siri by just saying, Hey Siri, open YouTube. Hey Siri. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.